Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Colleen. In today's video, I'm so excited to share or just talk about some of my summer trends that I have been loving. And I know it's not summer yet, but I feel like these trends are going to drag into summer and I definitely want you guys to rock these styles and trends with me. There are so many and I feel like there's not enough room in this video to even share. I also rearranged my room a little bit. I'm still in the middle of redecorating my room. I want to maybe show you guys what I do to kind of just add some life and character to my room. So let me know if you guys want to see that. So anyways, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, follow me on my Instagram as well as my TikTok. They'll be linked in the description box as per usual. And let's get into the video. My hair is like such a different length now. I cut more layers. I cut my bangs a little bit shorter. I feel like that's one that I'm just obsessed with. So I was actually very tempted to cut my hair because of Sigonia. I don't know if you guys watch her on YouTube, but she's literally my queen. And I was watching her live and she was like, guys, I think I'm gonna cut my hair and do curtain bangs. And I was like, okay, bet, I'm doing curtain bangs too. She posted this photo and her bangs just look so voluminous and full. So I was just like, girl, I need to do it too. I think when you style it and you make it look good, I think curtain bangs are here to stay. My hair is like originally really straight, so when it's not styled, it looks freaking weird, but I actually have a video on how I cut my curtain bangs and I kind of used the same technique. I just went a lot shorter. This is the video that I watched to cut my hair if you guys were interested. I'll link this TikTok in the description box for you guys so that you guys can see it for yourself, but it's just like so easy and he made it look so simple. So moving on to the next trend, it's probably going to be the 60s patterns and those floral prints. I feel like Zara has definitely played a very big part in this, and for an example, it's that Zara dress that everybody's been raving about. I actually have it in the green and I think that dress is just so beautiful. I love the silhouette of it, but also the color and everything like that. I just feel like it's such a thing. I definitely see a lot of websites coming out with so many other styles and ways to incorporate it into your wardrobe, whether it's a skirt, mini skirts would be really cute, as well as like dresses, halter tops, halter dresses I've seen on Zara. I feel like all of us should start incorporating colors slowly and gradually build into more bold and neon colors. Personally, I think a lot of people are going to be like, no, like colors are just not it. But I think green has definitely been making a statement. I feel like pink's coming in their way, their purples, just so many colors and I'm here for it. Next thing that I'm gonna be talking about are halter tops, and guys, I am on a roll with this. I have a few and I think the ones from Zara are my favorite. I know everybody's gonna have it, but I don't care because I love the material. A lot of you guys were curious as to what the material was like, but it's actually very stretchy and it's pretty thick. It's not like a cheap material, I don't think. I got it in black because I am obsessed with it. This one I haven't worn out, so that's why the tag is still on. Yes, I took a photo in it with the tag on, but what is wrong with that? I wore this with a pair of wide yoga pants and I think it just looks so cute. These I think were pretty cheap. Yeah, they were 15 bucks. I know Zara has several other ones, so if you're interested in getting one, I definitely recommend Zara. Aritzia slowly making their way. Like this one that I'm wearing is from Aritzia and it's actually supposed to be worn like a regular halter top, but I wanted to do the crisscross vibe and I think it does give a cuter look. And I know for a lot of people it can kind of turn you off. Like for me, I have pretty broad shoulders, so they kind of look very muscular. So when I wear halter tops, it kind of balances everything out and I'm pretty small myself. So this just gives the illusion that they're not too broad, and I feel like halter tops are just very flattering on everybody. They just add so much dimension and more of a cutting edge, I guess, on your outfit compared to a regular tank. Don't get me wrong though, I love my regular camis and tank tops. So the next thing, you guys know, I hope you guys know, I have been obsessed with Bermuda shorts from time. I have so many old ones that I've just been waiting to just pop out of my closet because the weather's been getting really nice in Ontario. Although I can't go anywhere wearing clothes, you know, like going out clothes. And Bermuda shorts are basically just a little bit of a longer cut off denim. This is a pair of old jeans that I just didn't really like anymore, so I ended up just cutting them. They're an old pair of Brandy Melville jeans. You can definitely just get like a pair of thrifted pairs of jeans, old ones that you don't really like the bottom of. If you want to repurpose an old pair of jeans, you definitely can. And then this one was a new one. I really like these because they're not a raw hem. It's my favorite pair of jeans, but in a short version. So they fit exactly how the jeans do at the top, but they just cut off at the most perfect length. Like they're like mid-thigh. If you guys know me, I don't like wearing raw hem jeans. I think they're just not flattering on me at least. So the next one is actually something that I do not have to share again, but I have been obsessed with the pajama blouse short look. I feel like some people are going to turn away from it because it does kind of just look like you just woke up. It's like a PJ set, but it really does remind me of the Matilda Jerv's Avenue clothing line. They have just perfect basic pieces, and I think they actually have a pajama set kind of like that, but I don't want to say pajama because it kind of gives you that work from home but make it classy, or grocery runs but make it classy. I think the way that I would style it is with like a ponytail that's like braided, or like a low bun, and then with a pair of long crew socks with a pair of runners. Comment down below what you guys think about it, but I think this is the new way that we're gonna be start dressing. Like it's a lot more casual now, and thankfully I feel like with the quarantine and the pandemic we were very forgiving in what we wear. But speaking of some shorts loungewear sets, oh, the sun is going away. I am still a fan of the sweatshorts and hoodie vibe. This one you guys have seen in my previous haul. It's just the green crew neck. I definitely think this is a way of inserting bolder colors into your wardrobe. With this crew neck, I did the biker shorts. I also really just love the sweatshorts look as well. With this one, I have just the matching hoodie for it. What I would do with these, if you want a more summery look, wrap the hoodie around your shoulders. I think it's like a preppy look, but it also looks very sporty and chic. I don't know. It's weird to say that sweatshorts and just like loungewear apparel is chic, but it can be. You can dress it up with jewelry. I think it's such an easy way to just get out of the house really quick. The next thing are shoes. A trend that I've been seeing 100% are those Gucci rubber platform heels. I know that Jeffrey Campbell came out with a pair that's like 20 bucks, and then Steve Madden, like, hello? Cheaper and affordable dupes is always gonna be welcome. If you're like me and you don't really know if you can just pop out with a bold shirt, you can definitely get a bold color in your shoes instead. I think those sandals and those heels can definitely pull an outfit together. For accessorizing, I think accessorizing is very crucial when styling an outfit or dressing up. Funnest way, or the most fun, because I don't think funnest is a word. I definitely think these beaded charms are so cute. Like I made this the other day with my sister. We made some charms, we ordered some for curbside, and then we just went off. I made some bracelets. They're just so fun. It's definitely a fun activity to do in the summertime as well. I think these phone charms are just so cute and definitely an easy way to dress up an outfit. Not so much dress up, but give more character to you. And I think the way that you design your little phone charm or your charm bracelet, I think is definitely a fun way. If you guys want a video on how I made this, I actually followed Kenna Marie's video, but if you guys want to see like my take on it and how I made these, then let me know. I even added like a little unicorn underneath. And the last thing that I'm going to be talking about is nail art, whether you get it done in the salon or you do it at home. Doing your nails is so therapeutic. I think nail art is just such a fun way to incorporate some detail into your outfit. I think the way that people do their nails tells a lot about them, and when you incorporate nail art, whether it's like abstract lines and a French tip, maybe you add some color to your French tip, I don't know. I think that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what your favorite trends for the summertime is. I think I can speak for the both of us that a lot of these trends are so cute, and I hope they're here to stay because I'm definitely going to be wearing them this summer. If you guys want to see some of these trends being styled, I can definitely make specific videos to that, and I know you guys like my outfit videos. I'm just trying to find the perfect place to record those because my room is really small and I feel like you guys just don't understand how small my room is. Make sure you guys are following me on my Instagram as well as my TikTok. My Instagram is @ColleenHo and my TikTok is @Colleen.ho. So I'll link those in the description box so you guys don't get confused. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.